friend name is Karen Tatiana Salas Tafur. How old is she? 23 years old. She is from Girardot. She lives in Coello. She lives with the mother, the sister, the stepfather, and their dog. She is studying psychology. She's like to do in free is time watching movie, is listen to music, speak, spending time is mom. The expectative on English class VIAVI to acquire basic English of this subject and VIAVI to acquire it in my daily life.
My partner is Karen Luisa Fernanda Sate Pinzón. She is 24 years old. She is from Ibagué, Tolima. She also lives in Ibagué, Tolima. She lives with her mother, her aunt, her sister, her niece, and her dog. She is studying psychology at the Uniminuto University. In his free time, he likes to sleep. His passion for his course is to be able to understand new topics and finish the course with good marks.
Hello, today I will introduce a member of the group. She is Carolina Rojas Parra. She is 26 years old. She lives in Campestre Arboleda near Bijur. She lives with husband and 2 children. She studies financial management. Carolina her free time shares with the family. She watches movies and plays sport. Her expectation in English class are Harvard Percy scale to understand the English language.
Hello, good afternoon. My partner is named Bridget Malcolm Poveda. She is 29 years old. He's from Bogota but lives in Ibagué with his parents and son. She studies psychology and in her free time she likes to share with her family, exercise and watch movies. Her expectation in the first level of English is to understand this language since you do not have much, and technology is the area you hope to learn easy.